Hello students, today I am here with chapter 6, that is conservation of biodiversity. In the previous video you have read about the consequences of deforestation. In this video we will read about the species, that means different types of the species. So first, what is species? A species, that is a group of the closely related organisms that are very similar to each other and are usually capable of interbreeding and producing fertile offsprings. The species, that is the fundamental category of taxonomic classification, ranking below a genus or subgenus. You have to in higher classes read about that. Next is the example of species. There are various examples like dog, cat, rat, humans and various trees also. The species, that means all the organisms which are belong to the same category, which are similar to each other. Next is endemic species. So what is endemic species? That are the plants and animals that are found in a particular geographical region and nowhere else in the world. Some species are endemic to a continent while others can be endemic for an island also. For example, lemur of Madagascar and tortoise. Okay, so that means there are various endemic species which are localized in a particular area. Actually, there are two words, epidemic and endemic. Epidemic is mainly used for a large area and endemic is mainly used for a localized area. So endemic, that means which are localized in a particular area and not anywhere else. Now the examples of the endemic species, that is Asiatic lion in Gir forest, lion-tailed macaw endemic in Western Ghats of India, that is Nilgiri tar, Malabar large spotted civet, lion-tailed macaw in West Jedon's corcel, Nilgai, Nicobar. So these are the examples of the endemic species which are localized in a particular area. Now about the extinct species. So what is extinct species? The species which no longer exist anywhere on the earth, they are called extinct species. That means the last member of that species has been died. The animals called dinosaurs which lived on the earth ancient time, but now it becomes extinct. Some of the other examples are dinosaurs, dodo, that is a flightless bird, cave lion, Caspian tiger, Iris deer. So that means nowadays they are no longer exist anywhere else. So they become extinct. So these species are called extinct species. Now let's see some diagram of the extinct species. This is the diagram of dinosaur which now become extinct. This is dodo, that is a flightless bird which now become extinct. This is the diagram of the Iris deer which now become extinct. Next is endangered species. Endangered species, that means those species, that means whose number is gradually decreasing, and in the coming future what will be happen? They become extinct. If we not, that means take care proper of them. If we not, that means take the proper care of them. So that means their number is decreasing day by day because of the habitat loss, poaching also. Because of that means the various human activities is mainly responsible for this. This is the diagram of the giant panda which are in endangered species. This is the tiger which now become endangered. This is whooping crane whose number is nowadays decreasing. That means they becomes endangered. This is Asian elephant whose number is also decreasing. This is the sea otter which is all, that means they become endangered. And that means right now you have seen the different animals which become endangered. There are various plants also which become endangered. Okay, thank you students. In the next video we will read about that why conservation is important and the various protected areas.